Here's the thing, guys. When you get a price, someone tells you, oh, it's 2,000 this, 2,000 that to book a room of 20 people. Okay, and it's $2,000 to book a room with 20 people. That's not worth it. That's a scam. You don't want to go there at all. Okay, so the thing is that you have to realize they don't have your best interest in mind. Okay, so you have to go and fetch for prices. You have to fetch for prices somewhere where you can make these events around people. Okay, so slowly keep doing your business. Keep doing your business. Keep making sure that keep making sure that you're every single day focusing on yourself, focusing on getting to a better stage in your life. But also what you can do is go and walk somewhere while you're talking to an audio program. Okay, so you're still social around people as well. You're social around people while you're sitting down and talking to a phone, for example. Okay, so you want to focus on a life for yourself. You want to focus on helping yourself to get to the best stage in your life. So what you do now is go and focus on helping yourself to basically call up other hotels, talk to people, get a price, for example, for the rooms. Get a price for a room. Get prices for rooms around hotels that you are currently looking for. In terms of you're looking for a room, you're looking to book 20 people for a room, whatever it is. Start getting some information. Hunt for information in your life. Just hunt for more information. Hunt for your business techniques, making sure you're building your business, whatever it is. Build your business, guys. Yes, and your life is your business. Okay? So what you need to do is now I need to go and search up and research basically another hotel nearby in Melbourne. I need to focus on another hotel in Melbourne that I can call up and get information from. Okay, so I'll be back.